You want to make a ton of money with affiliate marketing, right? You're dreaming about working from anywhere, seeing those commission alerts blow up your phone. But right now, that's just a dream. You're stuck, with no clear path to get there, and the whole thing feels random, maybe even impossible. Well, this video is going to show you that it's not. There's a predictable, scientific system for turning that financial dream into a reality that prints money. And I'm going to give you the exact blueprint, step by step. I was exactly where you are now. I could literally taste the success. But my reality? It was a complete disaster. I had like 10 half-finished websites. I was trying a dozen different guru strategies at once, and my affiliate dashboard was stuck at a big fat zero. The gap between my vision and my bank account was insane. I was convinced I was missing some secret, that all the successful people knew something I didn't. The breakthrough came when I stopped looking for secrets and started looking for systems. I realized success isn't magic. It's a process. It's a science. And like any science, it has laws. If you break them, you fail. But if you follow them, success becomes basically guaranteed. Today, I'm giving you the 6 fundamental laws that turned my own vision into reality. The first and most important law is the law of definite purpose. Look, vague goals get you nothing. I want to make money with affiliate marketing isn't a goal. It's a wish. It's useless, has no power, and gives you zero direction. A definite purpose is crazy. Specific, measurable, and crystal clear. It turns a fuzzy dream into a concrete target. So, instead of making money, a definite purpose sounds like this. I will build a niche website about home coffee brewing that earns $1,000 per month in affiliate commissions within the next 12 months. Boom! See the difference? Suddenly, you have a destination. Now, every decision you make can be measured against one simple question. Does this get me closer to my $1,000 per month coffee site? This isn't just about motivation, it's about laser focus. A definite purpose is a filter for distractions. You're no longer tempted by that shiny new crypto course because it doesn't get you to your goal. You know exactly what you're building. For a beginner, this is the most critical step. Your definite purpose is your North Star. Without it, you are literally just adrift, gambling and hoping you find treasure. So, before you do anything else, define your purpose. What are you building? How much will it make? And by when? Write it down. Make it real. Once you have your target, you do not need to reinvent the wheel. This is huge. This brings us to the second law, the law of proven models. Success literally leaves a trail of clues for you to follow. Whatever you want to do, someone has already done something similar. Your job isn't to guess. It's to be a detective. In affiliate marketing, this means finding successful people in your niche and deconstructing what they do. Don't copy them, model their strategy. Look at the top-ranking content in your niche. What topics are they covering? Are they writing insane, in-depth reviews, creating tutorial videos, or making comparison posts? Your mission is to find the patterns of success. For example, if you see the top 3 sites in your coffee niche all have insane 3,000-word reviews of espresso machines and a huge YouTube presence, that is not a coincidence. That is a proven model. The market is telling you what it wants and what the algorithms reward. By modeling their strategy, you're replacing dumb guesswork with a data-driven approach based on what's already working. This third law is where everyone messes up in the make money online world. The law of value first. Why do people click your affiliate links? It's not because you want them to. They click because you helped them solve a problem or make a better decision. Trust is the only currency that matters in your business. In a world full of scams, your audience is skeptical. The only way to earn that trust is to provide insane value before you ever ask for the sale. Your content is the engine of your business, and its fuel is being unbelievably helpful. Think of it this way. You are not a salesperson, you are a trusted advisor. Your job is to create the absolute best, most helpful content in your niche. If your goal is that coffee site, don't just write top 5 coffee grinders. Create the ultimate beginner's guide to choosing your first burr grinder, complete with video demos, a breakdown of blade versus burr, and brutally honest pros and cons for every single product. When you solve someone's problem with that level of crazy good advice, the affiliate link becomes a natural next step they actually want to click. It's not a sales pitch anymore. It's a helpful resource. The commission you earn is just what happens when you create massive value. Always remember, income follows impact. Focus on value, and the money will literally chase you. Ideas are worthless. Action is everything. But motivation will die. This brings us to the fourth law, the law of implementation intentions. This is a powerful brain hack to guarantee you actually do the work. It's all about creating an if-then plan for your actions. Instead of saying, I'll try to write more this week, you create a specific rule. If it is Monday, Wednesday, or Friday at 9 a.m., then I will write for 90 minutes on my next blog post. This simple switch removes willpower from the equation. It's not a decision anymore, it's just what you do. But you have to plan for chaos too. What happens when life gets in the way? An implementation intention prepares you for that. If I miss a writing session for an emergency, then I will write for at least 30 minutes the next morning before I check anything on my phone. Or, if my traffic is low after 1 month, then I will spend 2 hours learning about SEO for my niche. This framework forces you to plan for the problems that make most beginners quit. It turns failure into pre-planned comebacks. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's won by people who are prepared for the journey. This is how you build unstoppable consistency. All the planning in the world is useless without the fifth law, the law of massive execution. Now, massive action sounds scary. It doesn't mean working 18-hour days until you burn out. That's dumb. In the science of achievement, massive execution means consistent, focused action over a long period of time. It's the relentless application of the other laws, day after day. It means publishing one epic blog post every single week for a year, not cramming 10 posts into 1 week and then quitting for a month. It means choosing one traffic source, like SEO or YouTube, and mastering it, not dabbling in 5 different platforms at once. The power is in the consistency. Small actions repeated over and over compound into huge results. One blog post is nothing. 52 blog posts over a year is a massive asset that can attract thousands of visitors. One YouTube video is a drop in the ocean. 100 videos can build a gigantic, loyal community. This is the part everyone wants to skip. They get excited, work like crazy for a few weeks, don't see instant results, and quit, saying, "It didn't work." It didn't work because they didn't give the compound effect enough time to do its magic. Massive execution isn't about intensity, it's about persistence. It's about showing up when you don't feel like it, because you trust the system. And finally, you can't improve what you don't measure. The sixth and final law is the law of feedback loops. A scientist runs an experiment, analyzes the data, and makes it better. You have to do the exact same thing with your business. This means you have to know your numbers. How many people are visiting your site? Which pages are the most popular? Of the people who visit, how many click your affiliate links? That's your click-through rate. And of those who click, how many actually buy? That's your conversion rate. This data tells you a story. If a blog post gets a ton of traffic but almost no one clicks your links, the content is probably attracting the wrong people, or your call to action is terrible. If a post gets lots of clicks but very few sales, maybe the product you're recommending sucks, or its sales page is horrible. Without this feedback, you're flying blind, just throwing content at the wall and hoping something sticks. With feedback, you can make smart adjustments. You can do more of what's working and fix or kill what's not. This is the process of optimization. It's how you systematically turn a tiny trickle of commissions into a flood. So there you have it. That's the scientific framework. You have the 6 laws that control how a vision becomes a reality. But just knowing the laws isn't enough. Applying them is what actually matters. To help you with that, I'm giving you the exact checklist I use to apply these rules every single day. It's a simple 1-page PDF to help you define your purpose, analyze what works, and track your progress. It's 100% free. You can grab it at the link in the description below. Think of it as the first logical step to turn all this knowledge into action. That vision you have in your head, the one with financial freedom, the one where you live life on your own terms. It isn't just a daydream. It's a real destination. And it's not reserved for a few lucky people. It's available to anyone willing to follow a predictable, systematic process. I just gave you the map. I just gave you the science. The path from where you are to where you want to be is no longer a mystery. It's just a series of deliberate steps. The only thing left to do is take the first one.